is a non-working PlayStation 4. I'm sure most of you guys would be smart enough not to tear this apart just for the gold, because the parts are quite valuable, and just selling it like this would give you about 300 bucks. But let's say you happen to fall on one that's been crushed by something really heavy or a car or something, then you could scrap it for gold. So let's take this apart and see how everything works. So this guy here just slides open like that. And you have a little hard drive here. And you'll need some security Torx bits, and because they're pretty much everywhere. The funny thing is, you could even sell this stuff, this plastic stuff, for quite a bit if you look around. So, like I said, the only way you should scrap one of these for gold and whatnot is if it's completely, totally smashed. So if this was something I would have personally bought at a retail store, like Best Buy or something, my warranty would just get voided, because I just took out the warranty seals. What's that? So, just to show you guys what I just did, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 little screws here that are hidden behind these little tabs. And again, they're security Torx screws, which Sony loves to use, and everyone else hates. So there's 4 of these on the back. You'll pretty much notice them, especially the security ones. You have some writing on them stating that if it's removed, the warranty is over. And if you bought a PlayStation 4, you definitely have a warranty for at least a year. Since these have been out less than a year, you have a warranty. Alright, so now we got that out, and now this just pops out like that. You just pull, see there's like a little crack here, just pull up and the cover just pops out. Put that on the side. Now we have a few more screws. So we got some Phillips screws over here, another one over here, some fun security Torx screws again, a couple of those. So as you can see, we have the PlayStation 4 power supply. Already you can see some copper in there, some aluminum, some little wire here. But again, don't forget, if you get one of these and it's in good condition, even if it's not working, hold on to it, because it's worth more than scrap value, that's for sure.